In this video, let's take a look at the powerful OneCNC profile feature. There's a great advantage to using profiles in that you can customize OneCNC for different applications and also for different users. Now, if you want to use the profile feature, the first thing you're going to need to do is create a brand new profile. Come down here, click on the little button, and then what you want to do is click New. From there, you're going to type in the name of the new profile. In this example, I'm just going to type in a name for a fictitious person that's working at my facility that's going to be using OneCNC. So I'm just going to type in Bob. And we'll click OK to that. And we have Bob selected, so we'll click OK. So down here it says Profile Bob. Now, when you launch OneCNC, this is the default setup. Now, let's say that Bob wants to have his layers browser right here. So I'll put the layer browser right there. Let's expand this a little bit and bring this down just about like that. So everything I'm doing right now is going to be saved for the Bob profile. Let's say that when Bob uses OneCNC, he likes to use the chamfer command a lot. I'm going to right click on that and that places it up on the quick access toolbar. Let's go to our circles tools. Let's right click on fillet. And let's go to trim. And just a couple of more examples. How about trim 2 and scissors? Come down here to our toolpaths. Let's add our profile and pocketing operation to that. And then maybe just a couple of verification tools. All right, click on both of these. All right, so we've just defined the quick access toolbar. Let's say also that Bob does not like the way the color is in the background. He wants to change that. So we'll come up here to File, OneCNC Properties. Within the Properties dialog box, we're going to select Colors. From there, where it says Drawing Background, I'm just going to drop that down. I'm going to select that color there. And by the way, you have two colors. That's if you want to set up a gradient for your background. But I just want one solid color. I'll click OK to that. All right, so let's say that this is Bob's working environment. This is his profile for OneCNC. I'm going to exit out. All right. Now, as soon as I do that, that profile has been saved for Bob. So next time I launch OneCNC, I can choose between the Bob profile or the default. Let's start with default. We'll click OK to that. So now when I launch OneCNC, you're going to have all the standard default settings. This is great. All right. Now let's close out of OneCNC, launch it again. This time we're going to use the Bob profile. Click OK to that. Launch that. And now we're going to have the Bob profile. Now, there's lots of advantages to using profiles. In this example, I demonstrated how you could set up profiles for different users of OneCNC, but you can also set up profiles for different applications. For example, you might want to set up a profile for creating geometry. In other words, an environment that is indicative for working with solids and surfaces and things like that. And then you may want to create another profile for manufacturing that's going to be focused primarily on manufacturing. All right, so profiles are a very powerful tool within OneCNC and definitely can increase the efficiency for individual users and applications. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.